rapidly respond to customer requests and empower customers with secured, self-service access to support case creation and status updates via the customer portal. With Acumatica, you can reduce response times, control support costs, and accurately bill service and support transactions related to contracts or service plans. Leverage automated workflows to route service requests to the proper department or individuals based on criteria such as severity, escalation paths, or priorities. Deliver stellar customer service with advanced case commitment tracking and a flexible case closure workflow. Monitor support activities and measure results with tailored dashboards, flexible generic inquiries, and real-time reports. Distribution firms benefit from Acumatica CRM case management by linking service and support cases to sales and distribution activities. For example, create cases related to missing items from an order, receipt of the wrong items or damaged items, return authorization workflow, and document storage. Part of my duties as a support manager is to monitor our incoming mailbox for support requests. Today I can see that one of our customers recently bought a laptop through our online store. Unfortunately, when she received the laptop, the computer screen was damaged. She sent us an email. We can automatically create a case on her behalf directly from the email with Acumatica's Gmail and Outlook integration. I can see that case number 169 was given a high priority because it relates to damaged goods, and I can also see that Chris has picked up the case. On the Activities tab, I can see the customer's original email and the attached photo. I can also see that we emailed the customer directly from the case and indicated to her that case 169 was created on her behalf, and that we've created return authorization number 8271. Here, I can also see that a task was created for someone else to create that return authorization. On the Relations tab, I can see the return as well as the invoice for the original purchase. On the Attributes tab, I can create user-defined fields that allow us to track information specific to our organization. Customers can also use Acumatica's case management capabilities to provide support for recently purchased products. In this scenario, Lori called to complain about missing parts for a computer stand assembly. On the Activities tab, I can see she is unaware if she threw the parts away accidentally or if they were missing from the package. Either way, we're going to take care of this by sending her replacement parts right away. As you can see here, I've created a task for someone else to send the parts to Lori free of charge. On the Relations tab, I can view the invoice information, which includes the ship-to address and other details required to complete the activity. These are just a few examples showcasing how distributors and merchants use Acumatica case management to streamline operations and improve customer relationships.